Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We come again with another investigation on another reputed scam broker company to save you from being scammed. Today we're taking a deep dive into GoldZef.com, a forex broker that promises tight spreads and low commissions. There are severe problems regarding their regulations. Despite claiming to be registered in the UK, they lack oversight from the FCA. To make matters worse, some regulatory authorities have even issued several warnings against GoldZef.com, highlighting their deceptive practices. Now let's talk about the trading platform. They require an invitation code, which is highly unusual in the forex trading world. Reputable brokers offer a smooth and easy sign-up process. We couldn't find any details about the types of accounts they offer, or more importantly, the minimum deposit required to get started. This lack of transparency makes it difficult to plan your trading strategy. The confusion continues with payment methods. GoldZef.com leaves us completely in the dark about which options they actually support. According to their website, GoldZef.com seems to restrict trading options to just Forex. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio with stocks, indices, or crypto, you'll be out of luck here. GoldZef.com claims to offer tight spreads with low commissions. While that sounds attractive, remember the red flags we discussed earlier. It's wise to be skeptical of any claims from an unregulated broker. If you have been scammed by this shady broker, you can get help from us. We will provide free consultation and recovery service recommendations to get help in recovering the lost funds. Report your case to us. You will get the link in this video description. That's all for today. In the next video, we'll be reviewing another scam broker to keep you safe with investment. Till then, stay tuned. Contact us at brokercomplaintalert.com.